Currently, this is a carbon fiber that I have wrapped. I will be switching it to a glossier style. So, first things first, in order to remove carbon fiber, it's quite simple. Just try and find an edge and just start peeling. And as you can see, it's a very easy process. We don't need this anymore. What you want to do first is wipe down the surface with some alcohol or even soap and water. Let's go back and forth. Next, what you want to do with your carbon fiber roll is start measuring off how much area we need. I'm gonna cut, yeah, just about here, so. Okay, so this looks like a good amount of surface. Basically covers from top to bottom. Excellent. Okay. Okay, so first thing I like to do is heat up the surface. Okay, just like that. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our vinyl. We're gonna start peeling off the plastic piece here. Okay? After that, we start peeling the adhesion paper. We're gonna try to get it right on the center. Perfect. While this is on, we are going to take out all the air bubbles. You want to go a nice. If you see bumps over here, you want to just peel it. Apply some heat. Let it stretch. Peel it. And stretch it over. Okay? Just like that. And you keep repeating this process until you see no bubbles like this. So we'll get there first, but I want to work on the edge right here. Right here. Yep. This is the crease. So far so good. Sorry if I'm blocking this. So you just want to go all the way around. Make sure you don't miss a spot. Just like that. Okay? Now over here, what do we do about this? Let's see if we can bubble it out. Doesn't look like we can. So what you're gonna have to do, you gotta peel this a little. Yep. Okay. Apply some heat. And then we're gonna stretch this out. Okay. See that? It disappeared. How amazing is that? Okay, so we have some bubbling down here. Do the same thing. Slightly peel it. Yeah, I can see a little bubble right here. Take your heat. And then we just stretch it. Perfect. Look at that. Heat it up. We want to be able to just hug right around the corner here. You don't want to apply this heat for too long. Just quick. Because what's going to happen is this plastic's the vinyl's going to wear off. The most difficult parts are going to be at the vertices, right here, 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 and here. Because when 2 points intersect, it's going to be hard to get the perfect cut. But if you take your time, you'll be able to do anything. All it takes is a little patience. So this is looking good so far. Okay. Now, it's time we take our knife or any box cutter and start slicing all the excess vinyl that we don't need. This is going to be around the entire perimeter. Here we go. If I pull this up, see that? So I'm just slowly you want, you can do that. Right? Just take your time, no rush. If you mess up, you could always reapply the carbon fiber. Right? So that's that side. You wanna heat up the side that you just cut off. I'm gonna put this knife before I stab myself. And you wanna just dig it in. Yeah. Heating does allow you to cut much easier. So, but you should use that sparingly. Only when you need to. Right? Okay, so we're gonna okay. That takes care of that corner. So a final area to cut off is right here, so I'm gonna quickly heat that and then create that valley right here. This is exactly where I'm gonna cut. Okay? Gotta take the knife. Keep that up. And we're just gonna tuck it right in. Just like that. And we are done. Look at this. Oh man, so much better than the crap stock piece that I had. Now that looks authentic. For a DIY, this is amazing. If I can do this, so can you guys. Just take a look around. Tucked in the corners, tucked around the sides. You know, in previous tutorials, you had my steering wheel and my center console. Now, we have our door handle finally wrapped. And it creates such a good reflection. You can even see my hand. Here's the passenger side view. And for the driver, when you open it up, you could even use a carbon fiber wrap to wrap the top part of your steering wheel. Or anywhere else that you like. Be creative. As always guys, hope you guys enjoyed my quick tutorial. I got major tutorials coming soon. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.